Hello and welcome back to Crochet again. Now we have another hexagon, and this kind of hexagon has a flower in the middle. So let's start, and we will start with magic ring, and then we need chain 3. Okay, so this chain 3 will be counted as one double crochet, and we need 12 double crochet inside the magic ring. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So a total of 12 double crochet here, okay? Okay, now we need to connect the double crochet, and then now I need to change color. It's always up to you if you want to change a color or not, but this one I prefer to change color because to emphasize the petals of the flower. So now we're going to our round 2, and I will be using a color pink in this one, and then you can start anywhere here, wherever you're comfortable. So we have 12 stitches here, and then we need 12 popcorn stitch. Okay, to make a popcorn stitch, this is how you will do it. Okay, so we need to start with chain 3, and as usual, this chain 3 will serve as your first double crochet. So we need 4 double crochet in each stitch. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. Okay, and then to complete the popcorn, just stretch that a little bit, and then go here on your first double crochet, which is our chain, and then just pull it through, and then chain 1, and then another 2 chain, 1, 2, and then go to your next chain and make 4 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 double crochet, pull a little bit, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go there and then pull this loop. Okay, and then chain 1, and then another chain 2. Okay, again repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then go here and then pull the loop, chain 1, and then chain 2. Okay, just continue. We need 12 petals.
Okay, now that we finished the petals, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just joined this again here because I need to change color. Okay, in changing color, we are now in round 3. You can choose in any chain space here to start. Let's say this one, chain space. Then what you need to do is chain 3. Chain 3 will be counted as 1 double crochet, so we need 2 double crochet here. So we have 1, 2 double crochet, and then chain 2. Okay. Chain 2, and then in the same space we need 2 double crochet again. 1, and then 2. And then we jump to the next space. We need 3 double crochet here. 1, 2, and 3 double crochet. To the next space is another 2 double crochet. 1, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet again in the same space. Okay, alternate. So we have the cluster here, and then we have the 3 double crochet, and then the cluster here, and then we need 3 double crochet again here. 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and then next is cluster again. So 1, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet in the same space. Okay, so just like that, alternate, cluster here, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then next chain, cluster, 3 double crochet, cluster until you reach the end. Okay, now that we finished the row 3, and then what we need to do is to have single crochet all over our hexagon. So chain 1, and then single crochet here, and then when you reach the chain space, you need 2 single crochet, and then here, please remember this is the first hole, so you need to go here, not here, it's here. Okay, so single crochet all around here. And then 2 single crochet here, and continue that. Okay, now that we finish our one hexagon, yeah, so now we have 2 hexagons here. These 2 hexagons, in my next tutorial I will show you how I made this cute pouch here. You can make this as shoulder bag as well when you put some handle. Using these 2, we will make this bag. So see you on my next tutorial. Thank you.